because of the way the table is set up. Hakeem, you ready? You ready? Okay. So Kevin is practicing his three-point shot in the gym. Kevin can shoot 8 3-pointers per minute. Fill out the table to represent how many 3-pointers he can shoot after a certain number of minutes. So I see my minutes here are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. What am I changing when I go from box to box to box up on the top? What am I changing by, Billy? 2. Is that a constant change across the top?
Yes.
Yeah. Is that 2 my change in X or my change in Y?
X.
Change in X. Good. Change in X. Well, now I got to figure out what's going on with the bottom. So the number of 3-pointers shot after 1 minute, how many can he shoot in just 1 minute, Vanessa? 8. Now this is where it gets tricky, right? The shots are 3-point shots. How many can he shoot is 8, right? So if you put 3 here, I see why you would do that. And I should have explained a little bit better, or maybe not put the number 3 and spelled it out. But we got to make sure we're reading it very, very carefully. Some of us don't know basketball stuff, which is understandable. But he can shoot 8 3-pointers per minute. The number of 3-pointers must be 8, not 3. All right? So if he can shoot 8 in 1 minute, how many can he shoot in 2 minutes? 16. Is it asking me for how many he can shoot in 2 minutes? No, it's asking for 3 minutes, right? Well, how many can he shoot in 3 minutes? 24. If I wanted to squeeze in there an extra little box for 2 minutes, then he can shoot 16 of them. You guys got me?
Yeah.
But that little box isn't there. I'm jumping. I'm skipping a step. How do I get from 8 to 24? What do I add? 16. So what's 24 plus 16? 40. What's 40 plus 16? 56. What's 56 plus 16? 72. Give me a thumbs up. Your table looks like mine. Yep. Vanessa's does, Ayana's does, Amari's does, Phaedra's, Billy's, Johnny's, Elijah's. Great. Well, now I got to find the constant of proportionality, or K. What's my formula for finding K? We said it in the warm-up. There's a catchy way to remember it.
K equals Y over X.
Y over X. What's my change in Y from the table? 16. What's my change in X? 2. So it's real easy for us to just take the top number and put it on the top, take my bottom number, put it on the bottom. It's always going to be flipped around like this. So we have to be consciously taking them and swapping them so that my bottom goes to the top, my top goes to the bottom, right? What are my units on the 16 though? 16 what? 16 points? 16, we could just say 16 shots in 2 minutes. Well, what's 16 divided by 2? 8. 8 shots per minute. And that's exactly what the problem says, right? He can shoot 8 3-pointers per minute, right? So that matches up. If you got 4 shots per minute, and we read the problem again and we say, wait, that doesn't match what the problem said, something must be wrong there. And that's what happens when we don't pay attention to that skip. Now we're going to extend the table and find out how many he can shoot in 15 minutes. How many more boxes do I need?
2.
2 of them? Are you sure?
Yeah.
I don't think so. 3. If I keep adding 2, I get 11, 13, and 15. I'm just following the pattern. And if I keep adding 16, what's going to come after 72?
88.
88. What's going to come after 88? 104. And finally 120. So he can shoot 120 3-pointers in 15 minutes. Give me a thumbs up. You got 120. Melissa got 120. Michaela got 120. Hunter got 120. Key got 120. Ukamba got 120. Sure, go ahead. All right, and then on to the back. Sorry, questions I can answer about the three-pointer problem? Okay. I wanted that one to be a little bit challenging, so hopefully you were challenged. If you got something wrong on there, just take a moment in red pen to fix it. To number 9. How many hours and how many problems done? Well, what's my change in X on the top from 2 to 3 to 4? I'm just adding 1. What's my change in Y on the bottom from 24 to 36 to 48? I'm adding 12. So K is equal to Y over X. K is equal to 1 over 12. Right? Can I simplify 1 over 12?
No.
No. So is that just my answer, 1 over 12?
Yeah.
Yeah. Give me a thumbs up. You got 1 over 12 on number 9. 1 over 12? Now I know y'all are tripping. You're just putting your thumbs up for no reason. What did you get for number 9? Did you get 1 over 12? No. Hopefully not. Johnny, what did you get instead of 1 over 12?
I got 24 over 2.
You got 24 over 2?
I got 2.
Okay. Yeah, the Alex will get those. Take this. Put your red pen back. Okay. So what did I do wrong here? If I got 1 over 12, what is wrong with that? Billy, what's wrong with it? That's right. My 12 is my change in Y. That needs to go on top. My 1 is my change in X. That needs to go on the bottom. Ayana?
How come it's not 24 over 2? Because 24 plus 24.
Okay, so that's a good question. Ayana, how did you get 24 over 2?
Oh, because like since like why?
Hold on, hey, whoa. Ayana's talking. Go ahead. Ayana, go ahead.
It's like K equals Y over X. For Y I put 24, and then for X I put 2, and like for
Where'd you get the 24?
from like the bottom.
So you just took this point and put the Y over the X. What did you get when you divided 24 by 2?
12.
What would I get if I divided 36 by 3?
12.
What would I get if I divided 48 by 4? 12. Vanessa? When Ukama comes back, yeah. So, because this is a proportional relationship and my constant change in Y is always going to match up with my constant change in X, yes, you can do it the way Ayana did it. You can take the first Y value, put it over the first X value, and simplify it. Now, the reason why I didn't want to teach it that way is because when we get into non-proportional relationships next week, you can't use that shortcut, Ayana, and you have to do the little arrows, okay? So I wanted us to get comfortable with the arrows now. We'll worry about what I'm talking about next week. But yeah, Ayana, you're not wrong. 24 over 2 simplifies to the same thing. What are my units, though? 12 what?
12 problems per hour.
12 problems per hour. All right? Get that copied down if you don't have it. Number 11. What's my change in miles flown from 120 to 360? How many miles am I adding there? 240. What about from 1 to 3 hours? 2. K equals Y over X. My Y is 240. My X is 2. What's 240 divided by 2? 120 what? 120 miles per hour. Give me a thumbs up. You got 120 for number 11. 120 miles per hour. Michaela did. Rawaz did. Alasia did. Vanessa, Amari, Z. Yep. Osna. Xavier. Great. Any other questions on this before we turn it in? Quick show of thumbs. How are we feeling about this? Thumbs up. We're feeling great. Thumbs sideways. We're feeling a little bit better than yesterday. Thumbs down. We're feeling our worst ever. Okay. Feeling good? Sounds good to me. Go ahead and give this to whoever's in seat A. If you are done, if you need more time, especially the few of you that were not here yesterday, do not turn it in right now. Take an extra day to work on it. And then go ahead and get your notebooks out for me. Here's what you're going to write in your table of contents.